Tornado emergency for the Louisville metropolitan area. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for Jefferson County in central Kentucky, North Bullitt County in central Kentucky, until 1:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 12:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was observed near Fairdale, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This tornado is known for causing devastation to the Mayfield metropolitan area. Tornado emergency for the Louisville metropolitan area. Seek shelter now. Expected hazards included a deadly tornado. Storm spotters and local law enforcement have reported this large tornado. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. This large tornado will be near Oklahoma at 12:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. St. Matthews at 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Prospect at around 1:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Louisville, Jeffersontown, Shively, Pleasure Ridge Park, Valley Station, Middletown, and Linden. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.